Hello, I am Mayank. Python Ninja Bootcamp में आपका स्वागत है. In this lecture, we will learn about while loops. Let's get started. While loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the condition is true. Let's see the general syntax of while loop in Python. So we have while condition colon after indentation statements. In while loop, if the condition is true, the statement inside the loop is executed, and if the condition is false, the while loop gets terminated. The students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. Let's see some example to understand how while loop works. Now I want to print hello 3 times. So I'm gonna create a variable. Let's say count equal to 0 while count less than 3 colon after indentation print hello. Then count equal to count plus 1. If you check out the output now, it will display hello 3 times. The reason it happened because on each iteration the value of count is increased by 1 and display the hello 3 times.
Mayank sir, could you please explain one more time?
Okay, Tamta, pay attention. On first iteration, the count variable is equal to 0. Then the condition of the while loop count less than 3 is executed. Since the condition is true as 0 is less than 3, so the print statement inside the block is executed and display hello for the first time. And the value of count is incremented by 1. On second iteration, count variable is equal to 1. Then the condition of while loop count less than 3 is executed. Since the condition is true as 1 is less than 3, so the print statement inside the block is executed and display hello for the second time. Next, the count is incremented by 1 and the value becomes 2. On third iteration, count variable is equal to 2. Then the condition of the while loop count less than 3 is executed. Since the condition is true as 2 is less than 3, so the print statement inside the block is executed and display the hello for the third time and the value of count becomes 3. On fourth iteration, the value of count is equal to 3. Then the condition of while loop count is less than 3 is executed. Since the condition is false as 3 is less than 3, so the while loop gets terminated and we get the output hello as 3 times. What if I want to display hello for 100 times? So I could change the while condition as count less than 100. If you check out the output now, it will display hello for 100 times. Now I want to display and increment the value of variable on each iteration by 1. So I'm gonna say x is equal to 0 while x less than 5. Inside while loop print the current value of x equal to comma x, and next x is equal to x plus 1. If you check out the output now, it will return the value of x from 0 to 4. Let's go ahead and understand what is happening here. On first iteration, x variable is equal to 0. Then the condition of while loop x less than 5 is executed. Since the condition is true as 0 is less than 5, so the print statement inside the block is executed and display the current value of x is equal to 0 and the value of x is incremented by 1 and x becomes 1. Similarly, on sixth iteration, the x variable is equal to 5. Then the condition of while loop x less than 5 is executed. Since the condition is false as 5 is less than 5, so the while loop is terminated and we get the final value of x from 0 to 4. What if I want to stop the loop at x equal to 2? So I could use break statement in the while loop. So I'm gonna say x is equal to 0 while x less than 5 colon print current value of x equal to comma x. Then if x equal to 2 colon print an alert message, that is alert x is equal to 2, and then break statement outside the if block x is equal to x plus 1. If you check out the output now, you will notice that we will only get the value of x from 0 to 2. So let's go ahead and understand what is happening here. On third iteration, at x is equal to 2, the condition of while loop x less than 5 is executed. Since the condition is true as 2 is less than 5, so the print statement inside the block is executed and display the current value of x is equal to 2. Next, the if condition x equal to 2 is executed. Since the condition is true as 2 equal to 2, so the statement inside the if block is executed and display the alert x is equal to 2. Next, the break statement is executed and it will stop the while loop. So that's why we are getting the value of x only up to 2. Now let's go ahead and see how continue works. So I'm gonna say x is equal to 0 while x less than 5 colon x equal to x plus 1. Then if x equal to 2 colon inside of block continue and outside it print a message the current value of x equal to comma x. So in this case, if we check out the output now, it will display all other values of x except 2. Let's go understand what is happening here. On first iteration, the condition of while loop x less than 5 is executed. Since the condition is true as 0 is less than 5, the statement inside the loop is executed. First, the value of x is incremented by 1 and it becomes 1. Then, if condition x equal to 2 is executed. Since the condition is false as 1 equal to 2, so the statement inside the if block is not executed and the print statement outside the if block display the output as current value of x equal to 1. On second iteration, the condition of while loop x less than 5 is executed. Since the condition is true as 1 is less than 5, the statement inside the while loop is executed. First, the value of x is incremented by 1 and it becomes 2. Then, if condition x equal to 2 is executed, since the condition is true as 2 equal to 2, so the continuous statement inside the if block is executed and this will skips the next print statement outside the if block and jump back to the while loop. That's why we are not getting current value of x equal to 2 in the output. That's all about while loop. See you in the next lecture.
Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे range. Till then, practice and thank you for watching.